So with Maylee's look, we use the number 56 airbrush and NARS Santa Fe Glow. I really like this brush because it's really natural. As you can see, it looks like fur. She also has some contour. I used this blush brush because she has such a wide base. And the Tarte highlighter contour palette, I really like how that really shimmers on her. She's very golden, so we use the middle tone called Burst, and the chisel nice down the middle and under her eyes, as you can see there. We use this taupe pencil. I mean, it's a brow pencil, but we used the color on her because it was very complimentary. Under her eyes, we're doing this new trend where you, if she sits still, you can see it goes really dark underneath, going towards the middle, and then this really nice golden highlighter. This is just a NYX pencil, really shiny, right on her eyelids. You can tell. It really brings out her blue, gray, green eyes. This look you can use like when you're snacking. You can go out maybe to a bar, those bars that allow dogs nowadays. Mars Bar is really cool in Lincoln. Also, there's this other one, I forgot, but it's really cool. You can use this brush. It's just an e.l.f. brush. It's an eyeshadow brush. This really blends really well. All the details that we talked about, but you really want to get it natural looking. It's just, you know, you don't want to look like a clown.